Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Truck overloaded with mineral ore hits a motorcycle rider. Satish Rivonkar dies on the spot. Kutsade locals agitate. Stop mining traffic, start mining transportation once the bypass is ready, say locals. Political drama shifts to Thursday. Congress demands more time. Says demands of G7 needs to be discussed with Mrs. Gandhi. SSC exams begin in the state. 17,843 students appear for the examination. Goa urban directors withdraw resignation letters. Say no compromise with employees on present terms. Dempo Cricket Club trash Al Fatah by 8 wickets in semi-final. Enter final of Bandodkar Trophy cricket. And Dempo Sports Club coach Armando Colasso plays down Thursday's top of the table clash against Mahindra United. And now the news in detail. Angry mob at the Shivnagar Kutsade closed the traffic on Wednesday after a mining truck crushed a local. Satish Rivonkar died on the spot when an overloaded mining truck hit him. Furious mob has demanded a bypass for mining traffic. Till then, they will not allow a single truck to ply on this route. Collector has ordered closure of the mining traffic till 4th of May, but people are not in a mood to listen.
Satish Rivonkar, a resident of Shivnagar Cape, died on the spot in an accident when a fully loaded mining truck hit his bike. Rivonkar was crushed under the truck when he was trying to make his way out of traffic congestion on Shivnagar Kutsade Road. The accident occurred at around 1 p.m. on Wednesday. The driver has escaped from the scene and his whereabouts are not yet known. After the accident, the people gathered. Furious mob stopped all the vehicles and blocked the traffic. People demanded complete closure of the mining trucks on Shivnagar Kutsade route. They are demanding a bypass for the mining traffic. People have decided not to allow a single mining truck on Shivnagar Kutsade road.
हांवें सांगलें तुका एक ट्रक म्हळ्यार टेररिस्ट म्हणून तरी पूण हेणी एक्शन घेवना आमी हांगा कितें सोडपा येयला आमी इतली वर्सां रावले मरे आमकां हांगा रावपा येना
सगळो पयसो घेवन करता
पयशे घेवन
पयशाचे खेळ
आनी वयल्यान सांगता रोड वायंडींग करता खंय घर म्हणून वायंडींग करपा वयतात आतां इल्लो रस्तो आसता मनशां उडयले ताणें आं आतां आमी कितें करपाचें आयच्यान हे सायडीन हो रोडार हे गाडी केन्ना चलपाना
सगळ्यो ओव्हरलोड गाडयो सायबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणल्यार कित्याक सायबान पयशे काडल्या
ड्रायव्हरा कडेन लायसन ना आरटीओ आमी दिल्ले ते लायसन ना म्हणून तो म्हाका 10 लायसन काडून दाखयली ओबे खंय 10 लायसन बोगस लायसन ती लायसन काडा बोगस आसा म्हणून म्हाका दाखयता तो आमकां दाखोवपा आमी कोण हाय ऑथॉरिटी दाखयात आं तुमी आमकां दाखयतात तुमी सगळे भितूर आसा मरे आं म्हळ्यार आमचो जीव वचपाचो आमगे भुरग्यांनी बायलांनी हेल्प करपाचें धवळीकरा सांग हांगा यो म्हणून हांगा पणजे बसून त्या कर्ण सांग कोण भोंवता ते.
Neighbor of Satish Rivonkar spoke to us.
हांगाची परिस्थिती जाल्यार कोणाचे कंट्रोल ना हांगा जे मायनिंग इतली हिस्प भायर जाल्लेली आसा तेन्ना आमकां दिसता की आज रिवणकार मेला फाल्यां म्हाजो टर्न आसतलो फाल्यां त्याचो टर्न आसतलो तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता की हे मायनिंग म्हणटा रस्त्यार हो रस्तो सुटना मायनिंगा खातीर तेन्ना सरकारान हे टोटली मायनिंग बंद करपाचें रस्त्यार जो पर्यंत अल्टरनेटीव रस्तो काडना तो पर्यंत आनी आमगे हो डिमांड आसा जो पर्यंत हे जायना रस्तो जायना तो हे रस्तो फाल्यां आज सान मायनिंग बंद हे रस्त्याचेर हो आमगे डिमांड आसा हो डिमांड जर आमकां कोण एश्युरन्स दिता जाल्यार आमी कितें करपाक शकता आमगे डिमांड एकच की हो रस्तो आज सान मायनिंगा बंद कित्याक हो रिवणकार जो आसा तो आमचे बरोबर भोंवपाचो मनीस आमी आज आज हांव 11 वरांचेर रस्त्यार येयला 11 वरांचेर रस्तो बंद नासलो 11 ते 12 पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता 12 जेन्ना रस्तो उगडलो तेन्ना हे कॉम्पिटिशन सुरू जालें ट्रकांचें आनी तितून येयला हें ओवरलोडिंग आसा तें सगळ्यांक दिसता पुलिसांक दिसता आमदाराक दिसता कलेक्टराक दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टराक दिसता सगळ्यांक दिसता पूण कोण तेजेर एक्शन घेयना कित्याक सगळ्या पर्सेंटेज मेळटा हो सगळो पर्सेंटेज हिशोब आसा म्हणून आनी पर्सेंटेज ट्रकवाल्या वयल्यान वयता म्हणून कोण एक्शन घेयना तेजेर आज परिस्थिती जाल्यार कुडचड्याच्या लोकांक जगपाची परिस्थिती ना गांव सोडून वचपाची परिस्थिती येयलेली आसा.
Despite of collectors' assurance, the angry mob has not moved an inch and is staging a Rasta Roko. Another accident occurred at Sakhli bus stand. A passenger bus crushed a person. Furious mob stoned the bus. The accused driver has been arrested. PSI of Bicholim told us more about it.
ही बस पणजेच्यान सांखळे बस स्टँडार येयली आनी बस स्टँडार एट अरावंड 11:30 ती पावली. थंयच्यान ताणें पॅसेंजर खाली केले आनी जेन्ना तो रिवर्स येतालो एक तेच बसीचो पॅसेंजर देंवन दिसा फाटल्यान पास जातालो. सो तो त्या फाटल्या टायरान कोणाक पडलो आनी थंयच एक्सपायर्ड जालो. सो तो एक्झॅक्टली कोण तो आमकां अजून कळून येवना कित्याक ते फेस आसले ते स्मॅश जाल्ली. तो एक कोण तरी कपड्यांचेरसून कोणें तरी आयडेंटिफाय केला तो केरचो शेटकर अशें म्हणून तें सांगना आमकां एक्झॅक्टली अजून कळना. आमी थंय मॅसेज धाडल्या व्हेरीफाय जातकीर आमी कन्फर्म करतले. पंचनामा हवालदारान केला आमी स्पॉटार गेले पण बॉडी आतां जेम्सन शिफ्ट केला. इन्क्वेस्ट आनी पोस्टमॉर्टम मागीर जाता जेन्ना तेंचे रिलेटिव्स येता तेन्ना. फुडली इन्क्वायरी चालू. ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केला आमी अंडर सेक्शन 279 304A आनी एक्यूज अरेस्ट केला.
Our reporters from KP Mayur Naik with reporter from Sakhli Uday Parab.
Looks like political turmoil will not settle easily. The meeting was held in Delhi on Wednesday. NCP has conveyed the demands of G7 to Congress leaders. Congress leaders are waiting for Sonia Gandhi for a final decision on Group 7's demands. Sonia Gandhi will reach Delhi on Thursday, so second round of the crucial meeting will be held on Thursday.
Coordination Committee of Goa government held its meeting in Delhi on Wednesday. NCP was represented by Praful Patel and Prakash Binsare, while Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, Rajiv Shukla and BK Hari Prasad attended the meeting on the behalf of Congress Party. NCP has forwarded the demands of grueling Group 7 to Congress. Congress had asked for a time till 3 p.m. on Wednesday to decide upon the issues. But the demands are of serious nature and the matter has become more sensitive. So the Congress is waiting for Sonia Gandhi's return to the capital city. She will arrive in Delhi on Thursday. As per the sources from Delhi, both the parties, Group 7 and Congress, were in aggressive mood. Now the question is, will the demands get fulfilled or the political tangle will get more adverse after the politicians return back to Goa? Everything depends on Sonia Gandhi's decision on Thursday. NCP wanted an immediate decision on the prevailing turmoil but had to back off as everything will be decided by Sonia Gandhi. Now all eyes are set on Thursday meeting. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye.
After a year of hard work, SSC students across the state faced the board exams on Wednesday. Nearly 17,843 students are answering the exam this year. It will end on the 10th of April.
A total of 17,843 students appeared on the first day of the secondary school certificate exams across Goa. The exams began with the language paper of English, Marathi and Urdu. Anxious parents were seen waiting outside the exam centers for their wards. Principal of Don Bosco High School said the Panji Center itself has around 1,619 students answering exams.
This is the Panjim Center. There are about 23 centers in the whole of Goa for examination. And Panjim Center is one of the big centers, I think after Margao. We have exactly in our Panjim Center about 1,610. Here at the main center we have got about 553 students. Mustafan there are about 247 students. We have in People's High School, that's another sub-center which is about 600 students. And we have Auxilium Convent, about 200 students.
For these students, opening paper wasn't tough.
It was easy, paper was easy and I could answer all the questions.
English paper this year was a bit easier than compared to last year, and I'm doing my best for preparation of the other papers.
The paper was quite good. No, everything was taught to us, but it was good. Depends on the corrector now. Depends on the corrector how he corrects the language.
The paper was okay, good, not good, not bad, 50-50. I answered everything, but I didn't miss out anything. But I didn't. The one question it was not taught in the school only, so it was a bit difficult. Yeah, one question came out of syllabus. It was not taught in school.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ganesh Otkar.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.